Welcome to anyone's kitchen. Today I'll be making a super easy snack with some of the leftover bread I have. Before we get started, let's have a look at the ingredients. I'm using 3 slices of a regular white bread. You can substitute this with any kind of bread. 50 grams of butter, 1 whole garlic, salt to your taste, 1 teaspoon of chopped parsley and half a teaspoon of dried thymes. I'll be using my grater to grate the garlic, but if you don't have one, you can chop the garlic finely. So here I have 1.5 tablespoons of grated garlic. First I'm going to soften the butter before adding the other ingredients. Add the grated garlic and combine well. If you are using salted butter, you might not need to add much salt. After adding salt, you can add both parsley and thymes and give a good mix. You can cut the slices into 2 if you like. Now it's time to spread the butter. Make sure you spread a nice thick layer on one side, and on the other side you can apply just a little bit of the spread. Now place the bread slices on the pan and toss for a minute or 2 until lightly toasted. You will see the butter is melting while spreading the flavor all over the slices. Turn the slices over and toast the other sides just for a minute. It should be golden in color, and make sure you won't burn the garlic, otherwise it will taste bitter. So here is our garlicky, herby and delicious snack. I hope you enjoy the recipe. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe my channel.